Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we have something a bit different, a tool in DeFi that you can use to help you make some profits with trading. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter, links in the description. Subscribe to the email newsletter. The Discord servers are in the description as well. I have a premium Discord server which there's a good few of us in there just talking about passive income, yield farming. We jump on calls multiple times a week, etc. We can do one-on-one calls, all that good stuff. And then I also have the free Discord server down there as well. But with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. With that said, let's jump into it. Now, my allergies are playing up today, so apologies if I sound a bit stuffy. But allergies are starting to play up. So the time in the UK where, pollen starts to come out of the flowers, and that kicks my allergies up. Anyway, let's jump into it. So Shadowbot, your NFT trading bot. With our innovative tools and expert insights, we empower traders like you to navigate the dynamic landscape of digital assets with confidence and efficiency. Okay, so introduction to Shadowbot. Shadowbot, a cutting-edge NFT trading project designed for seamless transactions with the rapidly evolving digital asset landscape, offering a user-friendly experience through Telegram controls. Our innovative platform brings efficiency and precision to the NFT market, providing a collaborative space for traders and enthusiasts alike. Join us in refining the future of NFT trading with Shadowbot. So, you can essentially use this bot within Telegram. And these are the features. There's no API key required. Making your account setup is now faster and easier without the need of an API key on OpenSea. Okay, so it is an NFT trading bot, right? And you can trade NFTs through the bot. You can, I guess, snipe different NFT launches, etc. But you don't need an API key, which is great. Automates the process of wrapping Ethereum, saving you time and effort because a lot of the time with these NFT launches, you do need wrapped Ethereum to purchase or to mint the NFT. Well, this bot wraps the Ethereum for you into WETH, which is wrapped Ethereum, and then it saves a lot of time there. Auto-generated wallet, so option to add your existing wallet or generate a new address within the app instantly. So let's say you don't want them connecting to one of your main MetaMask accounts. Well, what you can do is you can set up a new one within the app, and you can use that for the trading instead. Okay, auto bidding, ensuring your bidding position at the top to guarantee the most favorable buying price possible, and listing your items at their highest potential value to maximize profitability in your trading with auto listing. And they have a little tutorial video here on the website, which I'd recommend looking at. Okay, and they have their team all doxed here. They're all pretty much on the website. Okay, so you've got March OpenSea auto listing. You have in April the Telegram UI listing on Magic Eden Marketplace, and in August JPEG Marketplace for Cardano NFTs. So that is the website. Okay, that is Shadowbot. So you can try Shadowbot today. Click this link, and it will take you over to the Telegram. And it's very simple to launch. You literally just click on start. Okay, and then you can click. There's a tutorial video here which will take you to that YouTube video, and you just click start on the bot. And welcome. We're glad you're interested in Shadowbot. Please select below what you'd like to use. OpenSea NFT bot, Blur NFT bot, or you got your settings there. Notifications. You can change all of your notifications there. Okay. You can do an OpenSea NFT bot. Okay. And you've got OS trading, OS settings, the configuration, info about how the bot works, and you got to set up your wallet and all that good stuff. So let's do the settings. Okay. So it looks like we have to set up our wallet before we do anything, which makes sense, right? So there you go, and I guess that will be in the configuration, all that good stuff to set up your wallet. And then you've got all of your statistics here for all of your different trades and all that good stuff. So it's basically like an automated trading bot for NFTs. So if you're into NFTs on OpenSea, on different networks, when people think NFTs on OpenSea, they think just Ethereum. It's not just on Ethereum. It's on a bunch of different chains. But it's very simple to use, very simple to set up and get going. They are on Instagram, they are on Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. So if we go over to their Twitter page and have a look, join the future of NFT trading with the best NFT trading bot on the market. And they have their pinned. So they launched on March 26th, so not too long ago. Shadowbot is now available. Telegram trading platform designed to make your NFT trading easier and more profitable. And then you have trading on OpenSea and Blur marketplaces, auto bidding, auto listing, auto wrapping, wallet generation, easy to use, and saving your time, which is very, very cool. And then we have a tweet here testing the NFT, the Shadowbot, pretty nice. And you can see that it looks like he made a trade here for $696. Okay, and he sold it for $764, all automated by the bot, which is pretty cool. So that's what's that, like a $80 profit? Not bad, right? Not bad at all. So I'll leave a link in the description. Something pretty interesting. When the NFT craze comes back around and a lot of NFTs do start dropping again, then I do believe that these sort of NFT trading bots are going to be pretty vital in beating other people that may use other bots, etc. So it's about positioning yourself to basically have the best chances of success you can when that new trend, or when that trend does come back around. Okay, so let's read over here then. So simple interface, Ethereum wrapping, instant bidding, docs team, which is pretty cool. And you can see all their team down here. You've got the CEO, which goes to his LinkedIn page. You've got the CTO, marketing creative director, creative media producer, design director, and you have the CEO again there. Okay, unlock the power of NFT trading with Shadowbot. Smart insights, real-time data, endless possibilities. Trade smarter, trade better with Shadowbot. So there you go, guys. No fluff, pretty simple. Everything explained on the website is a tutorial how to set up the bot. I do like how they've positioned this, where they don't have like a 15-page white paper. They simply have a link to a YouTube video where you can go ahead and watch to set up the bot. Pretty simple stuff. And when you do click join Telegram, which if you go up here, you click this, it will send you over to Telegram. And it's simple, you just click start, and then it will take you to the tutorial video where you can set your bot up, and then you're good to go. So if you're interested in NFTs, I will leave a link in the description. Let me know down below what you think. Do you trade NFTs? Do you think something like this can help? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.